Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Look, I got a package in the mail. It's a present, it's a surprise. And I just thought the packaging was so much fun that I wanted to share it with you before I opened it. I think it might have something to do with Little Red Riding Hood. And I really love this part, so of course this wasn't here. Underneath is my address. But I just thought it was fun. It looks a bit like this is torn open and this just pops out. I don't know, I just thought this was very creative way of wrapping. So I'm going to open it, but how do you open this? Oh, simple, like this. Oh my goodness, I want to keep this in one piece, but let's see if how do I open this? Do you have that too? Trouble with opening packages? Well, usually I just tear it, but I have no idea what's inside, so let's just be careful. Ooh. Well, I do have a little idea because one of my... Wait, let me just open it first. Wait a minute. I need to tear it open. Okay. It is a book. Ooh, and another book. Oh, it was wrapped really well. Layers and layers of wrapping paper. Okay, well, how long have I been filming? 20 seconds. The kitty wanted some food and she was not afraid to let me know. So I had to stop filming and give her something to eat, and now she's satisfied, so I can get back to filming. Anyway, I opened this wonderful package and like I said, it was really well wrapped. And when I opened it, I saw this and I immediately knew what it was, because one of my viewers, Sabine, she sent me an email and she said, I do have some Little Red Riding Hood books for you. Do you want me to send them? Of course, it's really fun. And I got this as a present from her. That's so sweet. So this must be Little Red Riding Hood. Well, you already saw the front. Look at it. This one is small. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's start with the big one. It says Roodkapje and Doornroosje. And Doornroosje is Sleeping Beauty. But it's got Little Red Riding Hood on the front. That's awesome. I don't have this one. I've never even seen it. So let's open it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Little Red Look how cute that is. So you've got Little Red Riding Hood and she's talking to the big bad wolf. That's really a big bad wolf. Just walk next to her. She isn't afraid of the wolf. She's just talking to it. Okay. And then she goes, oh, this is gorgeous. A whole page, a whole spread with Little Red Riding Hood in the forest. I really want to go to that forest. I don't want to meet the wolf, but I want to go in this. This is gorgeous. Ah, I miss holidays. But anyway. And then this is the house of Grandma. But she's been eaten by the wolf. This is so cute. Oh, this is a bit creepy, but it is cute. No, it's not cute. This is just creepy. She's already there with the stone, waiting to saw Sue. I never know how to pronounce it. Anyway, the hunter is gonna give the wolf stones in its stomach and then it's gonna drown. It's such a fun fairy tale. And then over here you have the Sleeping Beauty. Ooh, she's a bit mean. These are gorgeous drawings. Look at this. I have never seen these before and I'm really, really happy with this. Now this is not the story that I collect, but it is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sabine. This is so sweet of you. This is so nice. I don't have this one and it is a really gorgeous one. Oh my gosh. I really like it when it's just Little Red Riding Hood, just Roodkapje. But I also like it if there are just one or two more stories in there. I do have some of those really big ones, those big collection books, but with a lot of fairy tales in it, but that's just too much. But one or two stories extra is really nice. And then I have this one, but you know what? Yes, battery is flashing. So first let me get a new battery before it just stops mid-sentence. Well, it's been 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. This is cute. It is a little pink book. I love that. So it says slaapverhaaltjes, which is actually stories before bedtime stories. Bedtime stories. Actually, slaapverhaaltjes is not really a Dutch word. It makes sense in Dutch, but it's just translated, I think, from bedtime stories. Okay, anyway, this is Roodkapje. That's just really cute. Oh, and it's a carton board. I have no idea how you call that. What you call that? Book. It is for little kids, so no thin pages, but thicker pages. I really like that. So over here, you really have to look closely. It's a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood, and she goes, look at the wolf, to Grandma. He's so funny. This is so cute. Ooh, okay, he's not funny anymore over here. Poor Granny. And here comes Little Red Riding Hood. My gosh, this is cute. I said that before with these stories. I'm always curious about the ending. Will Grandma get eaten? Sometimes she just gets stuffed into a closet. Sometimes he just eats her in one go and then she's still alive somehow in his stomach. And sometimes they just chase the wolf away. And sometimes they kill it. And then sometimes they kill it, bring it back to life and then drown it. It's such a fun fairy tale. But anyway, happy ever after. Except for the wolf. This is a really cute little book. Thank you so much. I've never seen this. I've never seen these two actually. I've only been collecting for half a year now, I think. Maybe a bit more. And I do have lots of books because I already had lots of books because I had lots of the Grimm fairy tales. And but I've never seen these two. So thank you so much, Sabine. This is really sweet. Really sweet that you thought of me when you saw these. And really sweet that you just sent them to me as a present. Thank you so much. This is a really wonderful Christmas present. So this one is actually the best. I like this one the best. But this one is gorgeous. I love the fact that she's totally not afraid of the wolf. It's not smart, but it's really fun. Shall I show you a few other items that I bought? Because I'm not gonna do collection videos. I just wanted to share this with you. And I just now remember that I forgot to take a picture of this. Oh, I can still take a picture of this. Okay. So in the thumbnail, it's gonna look like I haven't opened it. I'm gonna show you this, not these. That's how it works, guys. Okay. I'm gonna show, I've got two more items that I got this week that I ordered on Marktplaats. And, well, since I'm filming anyway, I'm gonna share them with you. But this, guys, give Sabine some love in the comments down below. It's just so sweet of her to send this to me. It's so much fun to hear of you, some of you even on the other side of the world, when you see something of Alice or Hello Kitty, or even though I'm not a collector anymore, or Little Red Riding Hood, you think of me. And that's just so funny. We're on opposite sides of the world, and people think of me when they see something that I collect. That's really fun. I like it. So, thank you so much. So I bought a few other items, one of them being this one. Hello. I'm just gonna put these aside for a second. Look at this gorgeous white rabbit. Hello. I saw this on Marktplaats again, and I paid a really fair price for it. It is a bit older, I think, because it says Euro Disney, and that was the Disneyland Paris park was called Euro Disney in the first 1, 2 or 3 years. I don't know how long, but when it opened, it was called Euro Disney. And then it became Euro Disney Paris or something, and then it was Disneyland Paris. Anyway, so this is from, but I think when Euro Disney just opened, or it's just a Disney plush that you can buy in Europe. I have no idea. If you know, let me know. I would love to know if this is a plush that you could buy at the park. But it is a really cutie, and when I saw it on Marktplaats, it was a bit dirty, or it was the lighting. I said, is it grey? Is it the lighting? Or is it just a bit dusty and dirty? And it was both, actually. So the person who I bought this from gave it a bath really carefully. And it's sometimes when you give plush a bath, it looks really, they're not nice anymore. But she did a really great job. It looks really nice. And isn't it cute? Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it so much. I thought it was such a cute white rabbit. Even though it looks really fun, but when you see it like this, it looks a bit angry as well. Don't mess with a rabbit. And I've been trying to find it online, and I saw that there are lots of rabbits with these little glasses, but sometimes the glasses are blue, sometimes the eyes are blue, sometimes they are white. These are pink. I have no idea why that is, but I think it is a cutie. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And if you have any idea why it says Euro Disney, if it is really because of the parks, I would love to find out. It's cute, right? I like it. So thank you so much who I bought this from. I'm not sure if you're gonna see the video, but I really appreciate you giving this little fella a bath, and it looks really wonderful. It's gonna have a really nice spot with the other white rabbits in my collection. So I have something else to show you. I also have this one. Hello. Oh my gosh, it's actually kind of creepy. Look at it. It is a weird Cheshire cat. And it is a bit older Cheshire cat. And it's also a beanie bag. Look at it. It is an old-fashioned beanie bag. When the beanie bags just came out, they were really beanie bags. There's lots of little, well, I don't know what's in here, but it's called a beanie bag. By now they only have beanies in those things in their butt, so it stands like that. It's just a little bit, but this one is made of the stuff. Really fun. It is from the Disney store, and the fun part is it is an oldie. It said a vintage, and for me being 55, it's really fun when they think 2000 is vintage, but okay, it's vintage. It's an older one because you can see this. It still has, it is pre-euro. It has French francs, and it has pesetas, and it has pounds. Well, that's still the same. Deutsche Mark and liras. Do you hear that? Kitty wants to go outside. Okay, well, just a second, guys. Wow. Okay, so now it's just a matter of time until my mom calls, because she always does that when I film. I filmed this on a Saturday, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload it, but I'm filming it on a Saturday. And my mom always calls me when I film on Saturday. So anyway, we had the kitty, we had a new battery, we had the kitty again, and now I'm just babbling. So let's just continue. Look how gorgeous. I just love the way this looks from this side. It's a weird Cheshire. I've never seen a Cheshire like this. It's cross-eyed for one thing, and it is a really weird grin, and it's just a fun little thing. Yeah, I paid $6.50 for it, so that was a really nice price. It used to be, I think the German mark was closer to the guilder. I have no idea anymore. It's been 20 years, so... But anyway, normally I take off these tags. These I'm not sure of every single time. I don't know what to do with it. But now this one I normally take off. But this one I'm just gonna leave on here. Even though it is way too big. You can't hide it anywhere. This you can hide. You can just put it under here and you don't see it. But this, yeah. But I just love the fact that this is still an older one and it still has the prices on it. It's a bit... it's just fun. So... My gosh, it's been a long time since I've seen German mark, Deutsche Mark. The pounds I'm used to because we go to England a lot, except now, of course. And French francs, I knew the Belgian francs. We hardly ever went to France, but yeah, it's fun to see this again. It brings back memories. Back when. So I've got this fun, cute, vintage little Cheshire. It's just so cute. Do you think it's vintage? Well, I think it depends on your age. I think it is from just a few years ago. So I have no idea how old it is. It doesn't say on here. It just says Cheshire Cat and Alice in Wonderland and copyright Disney, but it doesn't have a date on it. But because of this, we know it's from before 2002. So we just think it's from around 2000. Again, if you know, let me know. I've never seen this cutie before. So I've got these two cute plush, a bit older plush. Cheshire is so small. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. It's so cute. This is one of the ugliest and one of the best plush I have. I like stuff like this. Okay. And then, of course, these two wonderful Roodkapje books. I'm so spoiled, guys. I mean... I just get this sent as a present. It's so sweet. Thank you so much, Sabine. I really love it. I love it. And these are just fun as well. So that was it for today. Just a little fun video in between. I don't know what other videos I have, so it is a really fun month. I don't really need to film my creative videos. I'm working in my December daily. I'm gonna show you every now and then, but it's just when a video pops up, a video pops up. That's actually it. So this came in my mailbox. It popped up in my mailbox, so I just wanted to share it with you, and here it is. And then I had these two, so yeah, it was fun to film this. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, you know, I would love a thumbs up, would love it if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And that was it for today, guys. Again, give Sabine lots of love in the comments down below. And all that's left to say is groetjes uit Holland, greetings from Holland. Bye. Look at that grin. Okay, bye.